Hi, I'm Nick. I'm the Technical Manager here at MooseysCountryGarden.com. I run the site together with my mother, who everyone around here knows as Moosey. Moosey's Country Garden started as a Mother's Day present I created in 1997. Back then it was just a simple page with a couple of roses. Today it's become a fully grown website focused on my mother's garden. Although we're based in New Zealand, visitors come from all around the globe and we get about 10,000 visits a day. I signed us up to AdSense in 2003 to show Mum that we could make money tastefully. We decided we'd spend what we made on the garden to improve the site.
When the income really started to grow, I was able to retire from my day job and become a full-time garden writer. It's always been my dream. I love that I'm able to share my garden and I can connect with people all around the world.
AdSense manages the relationships with their advertisers and take all of Mum's technical worries away. They provide 100% of our advertising revenue, they pay on time and they pay more than the alternatives.
It's been wonderful to be able to spend more time outdoors, improving my garden so that I can share it with other people.